yesterday, the 26th June 2025, in the morning at 10:30 a.m., two cadres of the Ngut National Liberation Council surrendered themselves before me, the Superintendent of Police East and West Khasi Hills. Then, during preliminary interview, both the cadres revealed that they were misguided by one Samuel Walang Paustanteo, who is wanted in connection with Shillong Sadar case number 83/2024 under section 120B, 121A, 307, 324 IPC read with section 10, 13, 16, 18 of UAPA Act and section 3A, 3B, 5, 6 of Explosive Substance Act, which is the Shillong Syndicate bus stand IED blast case. Both of them were, as I had said earlier, they were misguided by one Samuel Walang Paustanteo to join the Hnlc, and together all three of them fled to Bangladesh. The two cadres who surrendered also revealed that they were associated with as soon as they were associated with the Hnlc, they were assigned to perform menial tasks, like cultivation related tasks, especially in the betel nut plantations. And it was totally far from the cause of the organization's propaganda. As both of them were disillusioned and dissatisfied with the tasks assigned to them for more than 15 months in the hands of senior cadres of the proscribed Hnlc, they decided to run away from Bangladesh on the 20th June 2025, and they have an intention to return to the mainstream of society and have sincerely regretted their joining to the banned Hnlc. The names of the two surrendered cadres are one, Shri Deberius Chirwa, 32 years of age, son of late T. Rindathiam, and resident of East and West Khasi Hills district. And number two, one Shri Ridor Lingdor Nongnai, 30 years of age, son of late Charles Lingdor Penlang, resident of East and West Khasi Hills district.